Hi.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Cheever of Team Cheever Plumbing and Heating, your local Olympic snowboarder, master plumber, and general contractor. Team Cheever is a family-owned business serving Park City, Salt Lake, and surrounding areas.
Our commitment goes beyond just providing plumbing and heating services. We are dedicated to delivering hassle-free solutions to our neighbors, giving our employees an excellent work environment with the best benefits, and giving back to our community by sponsoring local events, teams, and causes. Our talented technicians offer same-day service, flat rate pricing, and warrantied work. With our expertise and a deep understanding of local needs, we ensure each customer receives the highest quality of service, tailored to your unique requirements.
Trust us to handle your plumbing and heating needs with Team Cheever's gold medal standard. And from our family to yours, thank you for choosing Team Cheever.